back with another tutorial. This time I'm going to be doing Twitch panels, and this time I'm going to be using what's known as Canva. If you haven't heard of it, it's basically a free website that you can edit stuff with. They do templates, they do all sorts, so you can literally just create everything on there. They're really good. You can buy a premium if you want to, but there's so much you can do with free, and I'm going to show you the free version. So you want to go up to the top right corner, you want to click Create Design. You want to do Custom Design, and mine's already on there, but you want 300 to 100 pixels. Once you've opened up, you can obviously name it Twitch panels. Oh, I don't know how to spell panels. Whatever, doesn't matter. You can use a template if you want to like nick one of their templates. Oh wow, that's why that's there. So for example, if you wanted to put like that as the background, you could, but you can just play around with it. I'll just show you the basics, and then you can play around with it. You can find like icons if you wanted icons on there or emotes or whatever, but you can play around with it. So let's go with this one. I'm just doing something like wacky here. You ain't got to go with what I'm going with, but I'm just going to try something and see how it goes. Again, you don't have to go with like the colours I'm using or anything like that. You can literally go with whatever you want. I'm just giving it a go, see what we can do. I don't really like that one. But there's so many free resources on here. So you've got graphics, you've got line shapes, you've got photos. You've got tables, charts, frames, grids. You can upload your own images. You can type anything in. Like for example, if you wanted a heart, you can type a heart in. There's so many options on here. So you can play around with it pretty straightforward. I tend to go with shapes. Because you can get some pretty decent shapes on here. If you want to send things back, just right click on it and then click send backwards. And if you obviously just want to change the colour, just click up here, change the colour. That looks pretty cool, but I don't know about this. Let's get rid of that. See if we can whack something else in its place. If you want to rotate, you've got like a little arrow thing here, or a little circle thing that you use to rotate. I quite like the idea of that. Send that backwards. Change the colour of it. Then like have that like maybe... I don't know, I'm just like playing with some ideas here. Nothing is right or wrong when you create Twitch panels, so just go whatever you want to go with, I would say. And the good thing about it is you can customize them however you want. So there is no right, no wrong. As you can see, I'm just dragging by these bits here. We'll change that colour as well. Might make that white. Oh! Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's just go with that for a basic, and I'll just show you. So then you've got text fonts, or you've got texts that you can use. So if you want to use obviously the free ones, anything with the little pro sign next to it means you've got to pay for. But there's quite a lot of free like template ones that you can use. So you can go through them if there's any there, or you can literally just go through like subheading and change it however you want. If you're using one of these, find one that you like preferably. And you're literally just going to edit however you want. So I'm just going to change the colour. So again, change up here. Go for that darker pink. And then click effects. And then you can change the colour on the background. So if you wanted it that neon, or you can change it however you like. But yeah, you can play around with like the intensity. You can play around with how it works. You can do loads of stuff on here. I actually like it quite white actually. So yeah, that's your first one. If you then zoom out, that's what it's going to look like. You can obviously center it, don't center it, it's completely up to you how you want to do it. If you want to copy another one, you literally just press on this little button here. You add a page title, then you'll individually name them. So you can type out me. This one we can put as rules, and so forth. And you can literally just keep changing them, and it's not going to change the one above, it's just going to keep them all the same. So then you can do like FAQ, you can do specs, and you can literally just rename them as you go. Oh, can't spell. Yeah, and once you're happy with them, say you've got them like they're the ones you want, click on the download at the top, make sure it's PNG, make sure you've got all pages, click download. It does take a couple of seconds. There it's downloaded, go to downloads, There's your folder. You will need to extract it, but extract all. And there's all your Twitch panels. All done for you. So like I say, it's super simple. If you've got any questions, do let me know. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and like the video, and it would mean so much to me. I'm trying to get partner, but hey, if it happens, it happens. But thank you so much for watching. If you've got any suggestions for another video, let me know. Thank you.